Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Digital Tech Maths. I am the host of the video Lakshya Kumar, and in this video I am going to show the complete tutorial for Google Classroom as a teacher. So let's start by creating a class. For creating a class I need to open the app that you can download it from Google Classroom. Then click on this plus icon, create class, continue. The class name required name as demo, section A, room. I don't want to give, subject is IT. Okay, create. Once you have created the class, you will see an interface like this. So to add students, you simply need to students, to go to people, then students, add students. Then Google Classroom allows the students to invite by email. So but if my class have 100 students, for that I need to type their emails individually. It would be a very hard work and complex as well for me. So what I'll do, I'll go to stream settings, this class code. I'll see this class code. This class code I can share it with my students. They can join class by using this class code. Now let's see how can I add post assignments, add announcements as well. Okay, share with the class. I'll test on June 10, 2020. Oh, sorry, I have. Okay, and post. All the students in my class will be able to see this test on June 10, 2020. Now to post assignment, I'll go on classwork plus assignment. The assignment is test 1. Description I don't want to give. It is of 10 marks. Due date I want to give to 10 June. Time, yes, 3:59, sorry, 3:13. Okay. Topic, no topic I don't want to give. And to attach my file, click on this clip icon. You can attach file. On my system, it opens the file manager in my system, but I don't have any file right now, so I'll go back. One more option is there, you can create your own PDF. I'll click on PDF, write the question, make question, then save. It's been uploaded now. Okay, then post. Students can view, assign. Assignment has been created. See, since no student have attempted right now, so you won't be seeing anything over here. Instructions, this is the PDF that would be shown to the students. Okay, now I am going to show you how can I connect Google Forms with Google Classroom, and that with Google Sheets. Actually Google Forms is a easier way to conduct quizzes, tests, because it manually, because computer itself checks all the answer scripts, and you don't need to manually recheck them. Okay, so for that you have to go to Google. Then go to Google Forms. Okay, one more thing I want to show you, that if I have opened Google Form with my ID, but you can see that over here there's some another ID. Okay, so I'll change here as well. Now it has opened with my ID. I'll rename the form name as test 1 description. Okay, then I'll type all my questions. What is 2 plus 2? Okay, and multiple choice questions. Option 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I want my students to compulsorily attempt this question, so I'll check this required. To add one more question, click on, sorry, to add one more question, click on this plus icon. One more question will be added. And to delete this, click on this and delete. Okay, so my test have only one question. To create test, I'll click on this settings. You can see that I am able to see only two options, general and presentation. So I'll slide it and click on quizzes. Make this quiz, and there are two options to show grades to the students immediately after each submission or later after manual review. So I want it to be later, after manual review by me. Save, and then to tell computer the correct answers, click on this blue clipboard and this. I want to add feedback, I can as well. It's 4 correct answer. Well done. Save and done. This is ready now. Okay, now responses, whatever responses I'll be getting responses tab. To connect it with Google Sheets, just click on this icon, green icon, just yes, create. Okay, it's been created now. Okay, since my form have no responses, so it is not showing me any data. If I have some responses, it will definitely show it over here. Okay, so get back to my Google Classroom. I want to add that test in my class, so I'll click on plus, assignment, title, quiz, it's of 5 marks, save. But actually you must have seen over there I have not done any grading over here. So I'll get back to my test, click on this again, and you can see that here it's 0 points. I click it to 10, and now done. Okay, now I'll get back to my Google Classroom. Description, no description, it's of 10 marks. It's your wish how much you want to give. 9, topic, addition, save. Now to attach my form, click on this drive, my drive, then search for the test that you have created. I have named it as test 1, so I'll be searching test 1. Okay, download zip. My drive has a lot of stuff, so I might feel difficulty, but you should not. Trial form, so I have found it was on the top. I was searching in the bottom, so I'll click on this, select. It's been added now, and now post. Okay, it's done now. My students will be able to see this. Now thank you friends for watching this video. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.